Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw cosmic signal V from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace.
So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So from the center stepping over, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across towards the left. We're going to leave an even gap here, replicating that as we come out on the right. Now from the inside, we're going to draw an arch line, curving this all the way around and through on the side. Let's step in. For the pupil, we're going to replicate that. So we're going to curve this around and up. And now let's draw in a highlight here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. And now let's just color in our eyes black. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming up on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the left. And then from that point, we're going to arch this around and back through on the side. In the middle here, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming down. And then we're going to close this off with another curved line. Let's come out. So on the left hand side, we'll draw in another straight line. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to curve this line up towards that corner, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close this off with another curved line following the shape of that line on the bottom. Let's add in some details here. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a small circle. We're going to move up on a slight diagonal, replicating that. Let's come across towards the left-hand side, drawing in another circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a star, so two diagonal lines on the top. We'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal on both sides. And then from here, bringing this diagonal line in towards the middle. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with two more diagonal lines joining in the center. Now coming up beside the eye, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's move down, closing that off. Let's move in directly underneath the eye now, and we're going to draw in another circle. And then moving underneath one more time, let's replicate that. Let's close off the inside rectangle first. So coming up just past our eye on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over slightly. And we're going to extend this to just past our eye on the right. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So we're going to line that up at the same height, curving this line over towards the right, ending that at the same height as the line on the top. Now from here, let's close this off, curving this around and down on the side. We'll do this on both sides. Now we're going to follow the shape as we move up. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming directly across. We're going to round out the corner here, curving this around and down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom. So we're going to curve this line around and in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, rounding that out, bringing that through towards the center. Now on the top left for the antenna, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up. We're going to step over, replicating that, making that one longer. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the top, and we're just going to end that at the same distance there. Now let's move up. We're going to bring this line through, doing the exact same thing on the right, again, ending that at the same height. And now let's draw on the star. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. From the side here, we're going to bring these lines up towards the top. Again, we're going to bring another diagonal line coming out. And then from here, we're just going to bring this line back in. Now let's connect this together from both sides, joining at a point right in the middle. And then let's draw the antenna on the right side. So this time we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height. Again, for the star here, from the center, 2 diagonal lines coming out. Now from here, let's bring these lines up towards the top. Again, from here, we're going to bring these lines out on a diagonal. And then we're going to bring them back in towards the middle. Now for our gap, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines at a point on the top. Let's come down for the bow. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this around and up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's step in towards the middle, replicating that again, and doing the exact same thing on the right. Now from the center, we're going to curve 2 lines that come out on both sides. We'll do the exact same thing, stepping out, ending that at the same distance. And then now from here, we're just going to close that off with a diagonal line. Let's continue to draw on the cloak behind. So we're just going to curve this around and up on both sides. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, let's come up. We're going to curve this line in and out, ending that on a diagonal. And then we're going to draw on a wavy line. So we're going to bring this up, down, and in. We'll do the same on the right. Now let's close off the arms. We're going to start from the left-hand side, bringing this down, up, and over towards the side. And then stepping down, we're just going to curve this line up. Now from here, coming over on the left, we're going to curve this line across again. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line down, over, and through towards the left. Let's close off the right arm now, curving this around and up on the side. And now for the torso, we're just going to draw in a big curved line, bringing this through and over on the right. Let's close off the legs. So from the center, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming directly down towards the bottom of our page, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to step out, replicating that, making these ones shorter. Now closing off the feet, we're going to curve this around and then through on the inside. And now let's finish the cloak behind. So we're going to draw in a small curved line right in the center. To the left of this, we're going to bring this line down, up, and over. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, closing that off.
And that is it. That's how you draw Cosmic Signal V from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.